Welcome to 60 Seconds with Kitch. Let's talk about combo piles. As we talked about before, square shaft is a better penetrator and a more efficient lead section, but there are occasions where the soil is so bad or you have reversing loads where you would like to have pipe extensions, where you can have the best of both by having a square shaft lead and transitioning to a pipe extension. Notice when I put this pipe on that I don't just drop it on there. And it doesn't matter very much with this small pipe, but with a big pipe, dropping it on there is a pain, and you gotta pick it back up, and sometimes it can even take two people to hook one up. Shouldn't ever take but one. But if you let the pipe lean, let it down gently, start your spud in there. Very simple operation for one person, even if it's a big, heavy pipe. And we're ready to drive.